So today let's study about different join operations. So join operations can be broadly categorized into cross join and simple join. And this join operation can again be divided into inner join and outer join. Inner join, which can be further divided into natural join, theta join and equijoin. Similarly, outer join is again classified into left outer join, right outer join and full outer join. So cross join we have studied in our class. So consider two tables or relation, employee relation and project relation. So employee relation has attributes employee ID, employee name, department and project ID. And project relation has attribute PJ ID, that is project ID, and P underscore, that is project name. So these are the different tuples in employee table and these are the different tuples in project table. So I am going to take the cross join of employee cross join project. So what happens? Each tuple in the employee table is joined with each and every tuples in the project table. Okay. So take the first step tuple 111 Franklin HR department PID 01 is joined with 01 XYZ, joined with 02 ABC, joined with 05 AAB, joined with 07 CDF. So here you can see 111 Franklin HR 01 is combined with 01 XYZ, 02 ABC, 05 AAB, 07 CDF. Similarly, the second tuple 112 Joyce HR 01 is joined with 01 XYZ, 01 XYZ, 02 ABC, 05 AAB, 07 CDF likewise. Okay, so here it includes all the tuples. Here this is P underscore ID and this is PJ underscore ID. So the attributes name are different. So they also appear in the cross join. Now consider another table, that is student and course, that contains serial number, S name, SH, that is student number, student name and student age. In course also there is an S number. So in these two tables the same attribute name is repeating, S underscore NO and S underscore NO, and C name fees. So I am going to take the cross join of student cross join course. So this SN underscore number comes here, this student name comes here, student age comes here, this and S underscore NO comes here, this C name comes here, this fees comes here. So this is a new table. So in new table you can see that the same attributes is repeating, that is S underscore NO is repeating. So if while joining, if two tables contain the same attribute name, then that attribute name will be preceded by the relation name. But random attribute S number തന്നെയാണ്, സെയിം ആട്രിബ്യൂട്ട് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെ വരുമ്പോൾ ദാറ്റ് ഷുഡ് ബി പ്രിസീഡഡ് ബൈ ദ റിലേഷൻ നെയിം. അപ്പോൾ ഈ എസ് എൻ എമ്മിൻ്റെ റിലേഷൻ സ്റ്റുഡൻ്റ് ആണ്. സോ സ്റ്റുഡൻറ് ഡോട്ട് എസ് എൻ ഒയും ഇവിടെ വരുമ്പം ഹിയർ ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ബി നെയിംഡ് ആസ് കോഴ്സ് ഡോട്ട് എസ് എൻ നമ്പർ. സോ ദ ആട്രിബ്യൂട്ട്സ് ആർ നോട്ട് നൗ ദ ആട്രിബ്യൂട്ട്സ് ഗോട്ട് ആർ വെരി യൂണീക്ക്. ഡ്യൂപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ഇല്ല ആട്രിബ്യൂട്ട്സിന്. ഓക്കെ, ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് അതിൻ്റെ ആവശ്യം വന്നില്ല, ബിക്കോസ് വൺ ഇസ് പി അണ്ടർസ്കോർ ഐ ഡി ആൻഡ് അതർ ഇസ് പി ജെ അണ്ടർസ്കോർ ഐ ഡി. ആട്രിബ്യൂട്ട് ഈവൻ ദോ ദേ റെഫർ ദ same type of attribute, the attribute name that is given is different. Okay, here they refer the same attribute, but the attribute name is same on both the table. So while taking the cross join, the attribute name should be preceded by the relation name, student.s name, course.s number. Okay, and rest of the other thing is same. That is, each tuple in the student table is joined with each tuple in the course table. So 01 AML 21 1 CSE 3 CE 5 auto ആയിട്ട്, അതേപോലെ 2 BBIN 22 1 3, ഇനി 05 auto 5000. ഇനി അടുത്തത് എടുക്കും ഐറിൻ, അടുത്തത് ഐറിനെ എടുത്തു, and iron's age is 20, that is cross joined with initially with 01 CSE 1000 and it is cross joined with 03 civil 3000, again cross joined with 5 auto 5000. You need to write all these 03 iron 20 And next tuple is 04 Abel 21. That has to be cross joined with the 3 attributes in course table. So 03 civil 3000, 05 auto 5000. Okay, so this will be the table of cross join. Repeating attributes ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ that should be preceded by the relation name. Repeated ആയിട്ടുള്ള attributes ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ then there is no problem. Okay, so this is about cross join.